All right, people, welcome again. I know everyone is highly anticipating the drop of the Reggae Boyz squad. Yeah, highly anticipation, but you know that's so you got something. You have to wait. You have to be patient. Um, Certainly there are a lot more finer details to be sorted out. Apparently, but basically you can look around at some of the clubs. Basically, some clubs, some agents would have made announcement regarding to their players already, so you'd have an insight on who is likely to be in the squad. But you know, we want to see the official confirmation for ourselves. We don't want to take what agents said. We didn't want to take what the club said, because at the end of the day, we have seen situation where JFF said, "Hey, we have invited this player," and when you check it out, the player, like situation that happened with Gregley and Ipswich Town. Gregley, Ipswich Town, and JFF went in a big miscommunication, misunderstanding situation. So we don't want to see the official confirmation. But just a short video here on Demarai Gray on a transfer move to Fulham. I'm gonna get in some details onto that. Before I do, please guys do the YouTube sub. And you know, we're on the road to 30,000 subscribers. 30,000 subscribers. I'm not sure if we can get that by the end of this month. I'm not sure. Hopefully before the end of the year we can hit 35,000. You know, we can hit 40,000 by the end of the year. We can. I think we can. I believe we can. But let's get into the matter, the matter at hand, which is Demarai Gray. Please do smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, join the family, people, share the video, turn on your post notification bell so that you get all the videos when they drop. Let me give a shout out to our channel members, two Patreon, Raymond, Austin, and Ravan Bennett. Channel members, Original Zilla, Jermaine, Swaby, Rose Gold, David Beckham, Liebel, Kyle Wallace from the Reggae Boyz Supporters Club, Black Icon, Feather 5, Jamil Winter, Marsden Ricketts, Rocco Reacts, Devon Hughes, D. Ellisworth, Ira Link Up, and Blair Video. Bless up, people. Thank you very much for your continued support. Really, really appreciate it. Now, let's get to it. Demarai Gray, people. Demarai Gray. As you can see his face there. So Demarai Gray, Fulham are keen on the Everton forward. Everton forward Demarai Gray is wanted by Fulham this summer. The forward has only a year left on his contract, his current deal at Goodison Park, although he does have the option of another 12 months. Will they renew it? Now let's get into the meat of the matter. Fulham are interested in signing Everton Demarai Gray. The West London club have inquired about his potential availability this summer. Other clubs are also keen on the 26-year-old. Gray is about to enter the final year of his contract at Goodison Park. There is an option to extend it until 2025. However, Everton's stance regarding Gray's future at the club is unknown at this stage. Now, quite similar to that, I didn't know that this was actually not showing. My sincere apologies on that, people. I didn't know that it was not showing. Quite similar. The thing about it is that if you want to keep, I believe that if you want to keep the player, at the club, offer him a proper contract where it's hard for him, especially a quality player. Offer them a proper contract where it's very, very hard to turn down. It's very, very hard to turn down. If you have a quality player, you pay them as per their quality. Similar to Latibodier. Swansea offered him a contract. Unfortunately, it wasn't a suitable contract. So guess what? Now you have Premier League clubs after him, with no blow Swansea out of the water. Despite the offer, even if they come with an improved bid, it's less unlikely because you have top tier clubs coming in now. Clubs will be playing participating at a higher level. So blew them out of the water. In the event now, at one of the top 6, maybe Aston Villa or maybe a Tottenham or one of these clubs would have come for him. It would have definitely blown them out of the water. If they want to keep the player, remember that they struggled last season to remain in the top flight. They struggled to remain in the top flight, and then you're going to lose one of your most talented players. You are going to be in a problematic situation. You really don't want that. You don't want that. So offer him a proper deal. Build on what you have. Even in the same sense, if you're going to go out and try to get a different player of that ilk, you're going to pay more money. You're going to have to put them on a bigger contract. So just offer the current player contract. Let's get into the more details. Gray was signed from Bayer Leverkusen for just 1.7 million pound in 2021, and last season, one in which the teams battled to avoid relegation to the championship, went all the way down to the final game. He contributed 6 goals and 1 assist in 36 matches in all competition. So he has been available. He has been available right throughout. Um, Many might say, boy, the 6 goals and 1 assist is that good return. But if you look in the overall context of the team, to even score 6 goals, you have to really wonder. They have been struggling right through the season. Oh, I think that is it. I think that is it. You have to really wonder. All I'm saying is, if you have a quality player, on your cards, and at present moment, you will find that other clubs will be coming in for that particular player. And what do you do as a club? What do you do? What do you do as a club? Because when you look in context, let me just try and adjust this. What do you do if you want a player? Because if Everton should go out and get another winger of that ilk, you won't play 1.7 mil or 1.6 mil, whatever the reported fee was. You won't pay that. You're gonna look in upwards of 7 or 10 million for a quality striker, like a quality winger of that ilk. And maybe his valuation is actually way low. His valuation could be significantly higher than that. So, in the event that they choose to sell him and reinvest that money, that would be good business. But if you want to keep him, it would be good if you renew his contract. Don't wait until the contract is in his last couple of months and you're trying to hold on to that player. You don't really want to put yourself in that position. At present moment, they have the option to extend it for another 12 months. The question is, will they extend the Demarai Gray contract for another 12 months? Will they? Is he the type of striker is he the type of attacker that the coach likes? Is he the type of attacker that the coach really likes to work with? Apparently, he got them a few goals in last season. Let me just do a check. I'm going to check their leading goal, their best attacker. Just give me a check. Let me check Everton. I'm just trying to find out who was their highest output last season. I think it would be EOB. I think it would be EOB. Come on. Let me see. I'm just checking people. So last season, it's Dwight McNeil with 7 goals. Demarai Gray in the league had 4 goals. See, so he's actually in the top. He's in the top 3. He's in the top 3. He's actually in the top 3 already. So that's how strange it is. He's in the top 3 and overall output is in the top 5. So what are the Suns in where that concerned? So it's difficult. It's really difficult. Difficult position to be in for Everton. What will they keep him? Will they extend his contract? Activate the other 12 months, utilize him and see if they can even get a sale for him and see how the league progress. But it'll be difficult. It'll be difficult. I do think that Fulham will come in with a proper bid, and if that is the case, more than likely we might see him making a move to Fulham. Anyways, people, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's see what's up in the here for Demarai Gray. Guys, hit the like button, people. Share the content. MG Sports TV, and we are out. Boom. Music.